Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, I'm here to help you on this journey. English fluency is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about confidence, practice, and using the right techniques. And guess what? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Today, I'm here to give you 5 steps with examples which will help you to speak English fluently. So let's begin. Step number 1. Think in English. One secret to fluency: start thinking in English. Don't translate from your native language. This helps you respond faster without hesitation. For example, if you see a car, instead of thinking gaadi in Hindi, car in English, just think car. When you are hungry, instead of thinking mujhe bhook lagi hai in Hindi, I'm hungry. In English, directly think I am hungry. This small habit will make a huge difference. So all these days, if you were thinking in your mother tongue or your native language, now start thinking in English. Step 2. Speak every day. The more you speak, the better you get. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start speaking daily. For example, you can talk to yourself in English. Today is a beautiful day. I have lot of work to do, but I will finish it on time. Like these small sentences you can speak to yourself. If you are alone, describe what you are doing. I'm making a tea. I'm adding sugar. It smells so good. Speaking like these small sentences will help you to speak regularly. Find a language partner or use apps like Cambly, HelloTalk or Speaky to practice with real people. These apps will help you to speak to real people in English. Speaking daily will boost your confidence. Now step 3. Listen and imitate. Fluent speakers don't just speak, they also listen and copy native speakers' pronunciation and rhythm. Watch movies or YouTube videos in English. If you like a line, pause and repeat it. Listen to how words are connected in sentences. For example, instead of saying, "What are you doing?" word by word, native speakers say, "What are doing?" So listen to different people who speak English and try to imitate them. Try the shadowing technique. Play a sentence, pause and immediately repeat it in the same way. So like this, you will learn speaking in English quickly. Step number 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing individual words, learn full phrases to sound more natural. Like instead of learning just the word excited, learn I'm really excited about this. Instead of just knowing the word hungry, learn I'm starving, which means very hungry. Instead of saying I don't know, say I have no idea. Using phrases will make your English more fluent and natural. Now step number 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is to keep speaking and improving. For example, if you say, "She go to school," instead of feeling embarrassed, just correct yourself and say, "She goes to school." If you forget a word, try to explain it differently. For example, instead of struggling to remember thermometer, say that tool to check fever. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. So don't stop speaking. So let's summarize the 5 points or 5 steps to speak English fluently. Step 1. Think in English. Step 2. Speak every day. Step 3. Listen and imitate. Step 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Step 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. So these are the 5 steps which if you follow, you will speak English fluently. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and with your biggest challenge in speaking English. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.